Today we are going to start a new chapter from our first year chemistry book that is called redox reactions, redox bikriya. Okay. Now this chapter you have already got this chapter in class 10, but in this class first year in redox reactions you will be learning a whole new perspective of redox reaction. Okay, and we will go enter the details of each and every subtopics and topics involved here. Clear? Now you see the name itself suggests redox reaction. We have a part here, EKD portion to RED, red, isn't it? So this portion which is called red here, this red means reduction. Alright, and on the other hand we have got OX, ox. This ox means oxidation. Alright, তার মানে কি বুঝাইছে এনেকো একটা chemical reaction. We know there are so many types of chemical reaction in our life, isn't it, taking place in our life, but as such a chemical reaction where both oxidation and reduction taking place simultaneously is called redox reaction. My dear students, it is very much it has got very much utility in almost all the important aspects of our regular life. Okay, you can have a look. You see, ozone hole, the most important phenomena to have a look is global warming. We are tense, people around in the world are tensed about global warming, climate change. So ozone hole, the processes involved in ozone hole is also a type of redox reaction. Then we have got corrosion of metals, okay, batteries, battery cells or ভিতর electrochemical cell তার ভিতরে to redox reaction process to হয়, okay. Then we have got burning of fuels. আচ্ছা, burning of fuels you see like we can have CNG, we have got LPG, let's say we have got methane gas, okay, CH4 methane. এইবিলাক যে আমি বার্ন করব, এই ফিউলস বিলাক যদি আমি বার্ন করব তেতিয়াও রেডক্স রিঅ্যাকশন তার ভিতৰত প্রসেসটো চালু হয়, ওকে. Besides all this, in many industrial, biological and metallurgical processes also redox reaction plays an important part. Now you may not what is metallurgical process? If I say it basically is involved with extraction of metals from its ores, okay. Now my dear students, let us have a look at the classical concepts of redox reaction. By classical concept, what do we mean? The old concepts which we don't use now, okay, that is known as classical concept. So classical concept of redox reaction or মতে oxidation or কিছুমান definitions আছে, reduction or কিছুমান definitions আছে, okay. Let us have a look. The first definition according to classical concept is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen means oxidation. So here opposite to ki hobo? Removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen will mean reduction. Clear? Now you see, here we have taken methane gas, reacted with oxygen, we produce carbon dioxide and water. Is the reaction balanced? No, the reaction is not balanced, isn't it? We have to balance out the reaction. Here 4 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. We multiply by 2. We will get this one 2 and 2 4 oxygen, here multiply by 2. So now the reaction is balanced. So you see my dear students, here is a carbon আছে, carbon লগত hydrogen আসলে, okay, there was no oxygen, but you see it has transformed. This carbon has gained oxygen, so addition of oxygen. Therefore A2 chemical reaction, or we can say that in this chemical reaction methane has been oxidized, has undergone oxidation. Clear? Similarly, ইয়াতে যদি আমি চাব যাও, zinc oxide reacting with carbon produces zinc plus carbon monoxide. Of course, some amount of heat will be needed. Now you see, zinc oxide is undergoing a change. Zinc or লগত oxygen আসলে এই oxygen to remove হয়ে গল, গুছি গল. That is why we call it reduction. Okay, removal of oxygen is reduction. You can have it. The next definition which we have is removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. Again, addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. Now you see, by removal of hydrogen, what do we mean? Here, 2H2S when reacting with oxygen producing water and sulfur. Okay, hydrogen sulfide reacting with oxygen to produce water and sulfur. Now, if you look closely at the sulfur, you will notice that here hydrogen was there. After the reaction, sulfur has lost hydrogen, which will mean sulfur has undergone oxidation process. Okay. Here you see addition of hydrogen. If you have a look, the reaction is same, isn't it? I have taken the same reaction. If we have a look at oxygen, this oxygen, my dear students, has taken up hydrogen. You see addition of hydrogen here, isn't it? So that means what? याते हमार oxygen और oxidation हो गई से. Sorry, I mean to say oxygen और की हो गई से reduction. All right. Removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Oxidation, reduction. But the chemical reaction which I have used is the same, isn't it? That is why we call this type of reactions as redox reactions. The third definition says addition of electronegative atom. Now, my students, what do you understand by the word electronegative atom? You see, electronegative elements are those which have a strong tendency to pull electrons towards themselves and become negatively charged. Okay, so those elements which have a very strong power to pull electrons from others and themselves become negatively charged are known as electronegative atoms. Now in the list, the most electronegative atom is fluorine. Then comes oxygen, then comes nitrogen, this way then comes chlorine, okay, etc., sulfur, okay, all these things will come. Remember this pattern. If you remember these four, many of your concepts will be clear regarding electronegative atom. So these four are the most electronegative element. Now you see, redox reaction is involved here also. H2 plus F2 is giving us 2HF. So here you see fluorine is an electronegative element. So when hydrogen combines with fluorine and gives 2HF, it is an oxidation process. जो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीडेशन हो गई से, ठीक है से, ठीक তেনেকে ইয়াৰ অপোজিট হ'ব ৰিমুভেল অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰনেগেটিভ এটম, মানে এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ এলিমেন্ট যিমান আছে ইলেক্ট্ৰনেগেটিভ এটম ৰিমুভ কৰাটো কি হয় ৰিডাকশন. ওকে, নাও ইউ সি two moles of hydrogen iodide undergoes decomposition and produces H2 plus I2. Here what is happening is, here my dear students, hydrogen is losing the electronegative element iodine. After chlorine there are some other elements and then iodine is also there for electronegative atom, isn't it? Now this hydrogen iodide becomes H2 plus I2, isn't it? Therefore hydrogen loses this I, which means iodine, and iodine is an electronegative atom. Clear? So this process, my dear students, here hydrogen is being reduced. Reduction हो गई है hydrogen. ठीक है? Now the last definition from classical concept, you see removal of electropositive atom. प्रथम तो আছে addition of electronegative atom. Next to है removal of electropositive atom. ठीक है? Now electropositive atom of remove करा to is oxidation. You see what are electropositive elements? Electronegative elements আমি বুজি পালো যোনে ইলেক্ট্ৰনছ নিজৰ ফালে এট্ৰাক্ট কৰিব পাৰে আৰু নিজে নেগেটিভলি চাৰ্জ হ'ব বিচাৰে. Electropositive atoms are those atoms or elements which wants to become positively charged, okay, by releasing electron. Hiyote electron gain kori pelai negatively charged hobo bisare, hiyote electron eri pelai remove kori pelai positively charged hobo bisare. Main examples of this will include metals, okay. Electropositive elements will include metals. Any kind of metals are type of electropositive atom. So here In case of AgBr, if we use sunlight, they will undergo dissociation or decomposition. Okay, and they will produce silver and dibromide. Okay, or bromide molecule. ঠিক আছে, তো ইয়াতে তুমি যদি চাব যোৱা আমাৰ যেটো ব্ৰোমিন মলিকিউল আছে, ব্ৰোমিন মলিকিউল AgBr ৰ পৰা সিলভার ওলাই গৈছে, তাৰ মানে ব্ৰোমিনৰ কি হৈছে, ব্ৰোমিনৰ অক্সিডেশন হৈছে, because from this compound this metal silver has been removed. Therefore, my dear students, bromine is undergoing oxidation and producing Br2 molecule. Clear? Now, if you come here, the opposite of removal of electropositive atom will be addition. Addition of electropositive atoms is known as reduction. So, I mean, this is chlorine plus iron. Iron and chlorine adds up to produce iron chloride. Okay, ferrous chloride. Now, this ferrous chloride, my dear students, here chlorine is getting reduced. Reduction. Chlorine or ki hoise reduction. Keneke hoise chlorine or logot electropositive element metal. Iron ki hoy? Iron is a metal. Now, metals are examples of electropositive atom. So, a chlorine or logot jete iron log lagibo, tete produce koribo ferrous chloride, and in this process chlorine is getting reduced. I hope you have understood the classical concept of redox reaction. So now, my dear students, let us have a look at redox reactions in terms of electron transfer. Agora ami classical concept salu, purona concept salu, isn't it? Tate ami sarita definitions dekha paisu. Ei sarita definitions or problem ki je amar logot day to day life or ba amar world or jibilak redox reaction hoi ase, এই চাৰিটা কনসেপ্টেদি ৰেডক্স ৰিএকচন বিলাক এক্সপ্লেইন কৰা পসিবল হোৱা নাছিলে, কিছুমান ক্ষেত্ৰত ডেফিনেশনস বিলাক ইনভ্যালিড হৈ যায়, মানে কাম নকৰে. ওকে, so now scientists or the researchers have come with a new perspective to understand redox reaction, that is redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. ঠিক আছে, ইলেকট্রনৰ ডিলিং হলো. According to electron transfer concept, what is oxidation? Oxidation is a type of reaction in which there is loss of electrons. Okay, you see the definition. What is oxidation? Reactions which involve loss of electrons are known as oxidation. Clear? What is a reduction? Reactions which involve gain of electrons is known as reduction. Loss of electron, oxidation, gain of electron, reduction. ঠিক আছে? Now, in order to understand this concept, I have taken an example for you. You see here two sodium molecule combining with chlorine to produce 2 NaCl. ঠিক আছে? Now, this is an example of a redox reaction. But এইটো redox reaction er ভিতৰত দুটা separate process. Okay, দুটা separate process হৈ আছে. Let us have a look. The first process which is taking place is, আমি জানো sodium কি হয়? Sodium is a type of electropositive element. Okay, electropositive element about the concept to bujalu. Now, electropositive elements wants to lose electron and become positive. Always, it is a metal, isn't it? So sodium does what? Sodium loses 1 electron and becomes Na positive. But my dear students, here there is 2 Na. Therefore, 2 sodium will have to be there. Duta sodium e 2 Na positive bonabo. Aru duta electron lose koribo, yes or no? Now these 2 electron, you see, these 2 electron will be accepted by chlorine molecule. Chlorine, I mean, the chlorine or atomic number 17. So it has a configuration of 2.8.7, isn't it? Now chlorine needs 1 electron to be stable. Chlorine needs 1 electron to be stable. If there is 2 chlorine atom, then 2 chlorine atom will be needing 2 electrons to become 2Cl negative. ঠিক আছে? Now এই concept মতে মিলাই পেলাই আমি চাও যে সোডিয়ামৰ কি হৈছে loss of electron. এই reaction to number 1 reaction of কি হৈছে loss of electron. That means this process, my dear students, is known as oxidation process. And this process which involves addition of electron is known as reduction. Isn't it? I hope this much is clear. Sodium or ki hoise oxidation. Chlorine or ki hoise reduction. Isn't it? I hope this much is clear for you guys to understand. Now, after this, we'll have to understand about oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay? In terms of electron transfer, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Have you ever heard of the word LIC agent? Okay? If you have heard of the word, you may know that LIC agent nijor LIC policy nukule, anor to he khuli diye, isn't it? LIC agent ezone belegor LIC policy খুলিব, ঠিক আছে, নিজর নুকুলে। ঠিক তেনেকে অক্সিডাইজিং এজেন্ট এটা বেলেগকে অক্সিডাইজ কৰিব, নিজক নকৰে কিন্তু। অক্সিডাইজিং এজেন্টে বেলেগক অক্সিডাইজ কৰিব, নিজৰ কি হ'ব, নিজৰ রিডাকশন হ'ব। So what is happening in oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent will oxidize others, okay, and itself will get reduced, ঠিক আছে। Similarly, we talk about reducing agent. Reducing agent, just like an LIC agent, will reduce others. বেলেগক reduce করিব, নিজে কিন্তু oxidize হব। Reduces others but oxidizes itself. Clear? Concept of oxidizing agent and reducing agent is clear to you. Now, if we go back to our reaction, let us find out যে কোনটো oxidizing agent হব আৰু কোনটো reducing agent. Now you see, oxidizing agent বেলেগক oxidize করায়, isn't it? আর নিজে কি হয়, reduce হয়। আচ্ছা, ইয়াতে reduce কোন হৈ আছে? Obviously chlorine reduce হৈ আছে, নহয় জানো? যদি chlorine নিজে reduce হৈ আছে, তেতিয়া হলে বেলেগক oxidize কৰাব। বেলেগ মানে কোন আছে? সোডিয়ামক oxidize কৰাব। ক্লোরিন যদি না থাকে, সোডিয়ামে এই দুটা ইলেকট্রন এৰিব নোৱাৰিলে হয়। ওকে, ঠিক আছে? That means what? In this reaction, our chlorine becomes oxidizing agent. Chlorine becomes oxidizing agent. Clear? Similarly, if you talk about reducing agent বেলেগক reduce করে but নিজে কি হয়, oxidize হয়। আচ্ছা, এই প্রসেসত oxidize কোন হৈ আছে? Obviously sodium oxidize হৈ আছে Na positive, isn't it? Now, therefore, since it is getting oxidized, it reduce কাক কৰি আছে, ক্লোরিনক reduce কৰি আছে, isn't it? এটা সোডিয়ামে যদি দুটা ইলেকট্রন রিলিজ নকৰে, ক্লোরিনে নিজে নিজে reduce হ'ব নোৱাৰিব, isn't it? Therefore, this sodium is helping this chlorine to get reduced. That means what? Our sodium is our reducing agent. I hope these concepts of redox reactions in classical concept and modern concept involving electron transfer is clear. Also, the concept of oxidizing agent and reducing agent is clear. So, my dear students, our class ends here. We'll come again with a new video lecture on a new topic. Till then, stay safe and thank you.